Hello kids, today we are going to revise the last lesson, lesson number 5, teeth and microbes. Lesson number 5, teeth and microbes. So turn the page. These are the some points. Revised whole lesson in these points. Okay, so see here, point 1. There are two sets of teeth. Temporary teeth, permanent teeth. Temporary teeth means milk teeth. How many sets of teeth are there? Two sets. Temporary and permanent. Point 2. There are 4 types of permanent teeth. How many types of permanent teeth? 4 types of permanent teeth. Point 3. Incisors are used to bite and cut food. Incisors are used to bite and cut food. 4. Canines are used for ripping and tearing food apart. Canines are used for ripping and tearing food apart. 5. Premolars are used for cracking, chewing and grinding food. Premolars are used for cracking, chewing and grinding food. Point 6. Molars are used for chewing and grinding the food. Molars are used for chewing and grinding the food. 7. The visible part of tooth is called the crown. The visible part of the tooth is called crown. The invisible part is called the root. In tooth, two parts are there, crown and root. Visible part is called crown and invisible part is called root. Point 8. Microbes are microscopic living things that can be useful or harmful. Microbes are microscopic living things and can be useful or harmful. Here lesson division over. Now we are going to revise exercise. We already did it. But again once time we are going to revise the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the brackets. A. In bracket 20, 32, 18. Option answers are 20, 32, 18. There are, answer is 20. There are 20 temporary teeth in a child. How many teeth are there? Temporary teeth in child? 20. There are 20 temporary teeth in a child. B. Options answers bacteria, fungus and virus. Yeast used by bakers is a type of fungus. Yeast used by bakers is a type of fungus. C. Options answers 6, 8, 4. There are 6 molar teeth in each jaw. How many molar teeth are there in each jaw? 6. There are 6 molar teeth in each jaw. Last one, D. Options answers dentine, enamel and pulp. Dentine, enamel, pulp. Answer is enamel. Enamel is the hardest part in the human body. Enamel is the hardest part in the human body. Here, fill in the blanks over. Next question number 2. State whether the following statements true or false. Okay. So, see, we already did it, true or false. But again once time we are going to revise because you have exam. So, we must read, revise. Okay. A. Mushroom is a type of fungus. Yes, true. Mushroom is a type of fungus. True. B. The pulp lies below the tooth enamel. False. The pulp lies below the tooth enamel. False. See, there are two canines in each jaw. There are two canines in each jaw. Yes, it is a true. B. The dentine has blood vessels. The dentine has blood vessels. It is true or false? False. E. Canines are pointed teeth. Canines are pointed teeth. It is true or false? True. Understood, kids? Here a true or false over. Next is question number 3. Answer the following questions. What is the first question? Question A. How are teeth useful to us? Question A. How are teeth useful to us? Answer. Our teeth are an important part of our personality. Teeth also give our face its shape and help us to speak clearly. How teeth are help us to, helpful to us. See, our teeth are important part of our personality. Teeth also give our face shape. It's a shape, face, it's a shape and help us speak clearly. Understood, kids? Next question. B. State two uses of helpful microbes. State two uses of helpful microbes. Question B. State two uses of helpful microbes. Answer. Yeast and bacteria are two microbes. Yeast, a fungus. A fungus is very important ingredient in bread and is largely used in bakeries. Yeast, a fungus. Yeast is a fungus is very important ingredient in bread, cake, biscuits and is largely used in bakeries. Bacteria help in turning milk into curd and cheese. These bacteria help in turning milk into curd and cheese. Now, next question, question C. What is enamel made of? What is enamel made of? Answer. Enamel is made up of phosphorus and calcium. Enamel is made up of phosphorus and calcium. Understood? Next question. D. What are microbes? What are microbes? My answer is microbes are extremely tiny living organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Microbes are extremely tiny living organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Okay? Understood, my kids? Now last question. E. Name the 3 diseases caused by bacteria. Name the 3 diseases caused by bacteria. Answer. Tuberculosis means TB, food poisoning and the whooping cough. Tuberculosis means TB, food poisoning and whooping cough are 3 diseases caused by bacteria. Here are question answers revision over. Understood, the kids? You read the lesson, revise the lesson revision along with exercise and by the question answers too. Now see fourth one question. Answer the following question. It is just for you homework. Okay, you read this one. Anuj tried to crack a walnut after a few minutes. B. Complained of pains in his molar tooth. Which part of the molar teeth damaged? Anybody say? Which part of the molar is damaged? Enamel. Why did he get tooth pain? Because when enamel get damaged, it get cracks and the sense goes inside and feel this one blood vessels. Understood now? Now last one. Is it good to crack hard nuts with your teeth? Justify your answer. No. It is not good to crack a hard nuts with our teeth because teeth get crack and they will get toothache. Understood no kids? Next B. Namita always brushes her teeth after every meal but her brother Mohan tries to avoid it. What advice would you give Mohan? Namita always brushing her teeth after every meal. That time Mohan also always brush his teeth because if will not brush, germs will spread when we eat. Bite of food piece will remain inside the tooth, inside the teeth. That damages, spoil and grow their germs. That germs started decaying the teeth. So toothache happens. Understood? So we must brush our teeth after every meal. Now kids, we see this one diagram. Parts of a tooth. Upper part is called enamel. Dentine lies below the enamel and pulp lies below the dentine. In pulp, blood vessels are there. What are there? These are the blood vessels. It includes the sensitive blood vessels. When enamel crack, dentine also get cracked and we feel the sense toothache started. Upper part is called crown and lower part is called root above the jaw. Upper part crown, white part, and below the jaw this one is the root. Here our lesson revision over. Understood kids? You do study and what? Write the paper neat, clean and correct. Thank you for watching the video.